What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're at the International Airport here at Melbourne and I am heading off to Hong Kong. Yes, there's political stuff happening there at the moment, but I'm definitely going to stay away from that sort of stuff. I'm just going to stay in like the safer areas. Announcement. Okay, it's not too loud. So yeah, I'm a bit worried. Obviously my partner's worried as well, but I'm gonna stick to like the safer spots. I'm not going to go anywhere near those sort of like protest areas. Feeling a bit warm. This thing's really warm. Speaking of warm, it's gonna be like summer over there, and yeah, I had to shave my legs, shave that winter coat. There's something happening really funny behind me, so I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like a huge queue. There's like someone at the desk at the boarding gate, but they haven't called for boarding. Like, I don't think boarding is for another 20 minutes, but they're already lined up. And that's always something that I've always never understood, because we all have seat numbers anyway, so you're not going to lose your seat regardless. I think maybe people are just rushing to line up so that they can have the overhead compartment section. But even then, that's sort of like allocated for you anyway, and if you have to move your luggage, it's only probably like 2 rows or 3 rows back anyway, so I never understood that, but here we are, people just lining up just because. Anyway, I am going to call my partner, just to make sure. Anyway, I'm just going to call my partner, say my goodbyes. We are now finally here at Hong Kong Airport, and I'm on one of the walk-laters. I know I should be walking to stretch my legs, but I'm vlogging, so that's my little excuse. The flight was pretty good. I pretty much just binge-watched Charmed season 7. I watched probably 8-9 episodes, and then I switched to Power Rangers Mighty Morphin, the original one, the first series, just because I got a bit bored. I love binge-watching my favorite shows, but sometimes if it's just continuous, I get a little bit too bored. I don't know if I guys showed you this at the airport, but this is the ScanDisk ImageMate Pro. I got this at the airport. It's basically a card reader. I think I got this for like 54 Australian dollars. Yeah, 54. Because the SD card reader in this is broken and I can't really be bothered to fix it. So yeah, I just bought this because I need to edit stuff on this camera. Morning everyone, it is the next day and oof, this hair needs to be flat ironed, straightened. So I used my mum's hair dryer. It's not a very powerful one. It's pretty much just to dry your hair, which is what it's supposed to do, but I need to also style my hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna probably run the flat iron in just to kind of like get rid of that excess frizz. And I've got my contacts in, so I've got my Solotica Natural Colors in Quartz. So if you guys would like a discount code, I've got one down in the description box down below. Obviously an affiliate code. So it seems to be like a rainy day outside, I think. Hopefully not the whole day, so I can kind of like wander around, because I do want to walk around, but I can always take the trains if that's going to be an issue. I woke up pretty early. It's like 7:40 now. Breakfast is pretty much ready on the table, so I'll show you guys what like a typical Filipino breakfast is. I don't think it's like the typical Filipino breakfast. It's just because I'm here and they haven't seen me in a while, so they've prepared like this feast yet again. So I'll show you guys what the feast consists of. I've got some fried eggs, garlic fried rice, and this is longanisa. So longanisa is a Filipino like sausage, it's pork based. That's what it looks like. You pretty much deep fry it. It tastes amazing, I have to say. Yeah, so I'm gonna have breakfast in a second, and then I'm gonna make some coffee as well. Okay, so while I have breakfast, I'm just processing this vlog. So this one's the BYS Australis vlog. I won't really have any normal sort of like YouTube content this week and maybe next week, just because I'm still quite busy and like catching up with everything. So I have just done my makeup. I've just realized my foundations are a little bit too dark for me. It's a bit sad, but that is the truth. Something just fell. I did bring some of my lightning drops from the Isle of Paradise. I think it's called Isle of Paradise. So I'm going to use that tonight. So I'm going to use my face halos to kind of like just give myself a good exfoliation, and then I'm going to use that to give myself a bit of a tan. I think my body is fine. It's just my face and my neck. It's just really pale. So yeah, I'm gonna have to sort that out just so that my foundation looks okay and I don't have to keep bronzing, because what I did today was I bronzed all the way like the back of my neck and down my chest as well, in case the shirt kind of like dips down. But like if you look there, that's actually what my color is. This is just all kind of like bronzer and foundation. So yeah, because it's currently summer here in Hong Kong, so technically the sun's supposed to be out, but there's a typhoon, so yeah, it's currently raining. So I don't know how I'm gonna go about going to Disneyland tomorrow. The plan is for tomorrow, but we'll see. I might go later in the afternoon because I think the weather report says it's going to stop raining around 12, and that's fine because I want to stay until 9 o'clock. So my mum and I are going to be leaving soon. We're going to go to this cafe. Apparently it's only like a 10-minute walk away from here, so that's really good.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
Coffee ka lang. This place is so cute. Here is the coffee, guys. It's currently raining. I don't know if you can see that. It's currently raining. It's pouring. But here's the coffee. So cute, and look at the cup. It's a traditional antique teacup.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, there's another one. So cute. Here's the coffee. Oh, parang hindi mapait. So cute. So cute. I'll show you guys quickly the other cups. Sorry, it's really loud. It's raining. Here's the other one. This is my mum. Look at the design. Maybe I should do with the whole pinky thing too. By the way, if you guys are interested in looking this place up, here's a little card and like their social. I'll try and link down below. I'm sorry, it's really loud here. Oh no, by the way, that's my dad. That's my mum. We're gonna part our ways soon so that I can go shopping. Uwi na kayo. Okay. So this is like a typical Hong Kong street. So I'm going to go walk towards the central escalators. I think I'm heading in the right direction. I think if I just keep following the street that way, I'll get there. And then I'll use the escalators to get to some of the shops and then maybe the MTR. So we'll see how well I remember this place, because I don't really remember it that well. Like I said, I didn't really grow up around this area. I grew up more around Wan Chai, Causeway Bay, North Point, that kind of area. So I'm more familiar with those places, not so much here. It's going to be a little bit of an exploration tour for me as well. Obviously I'll try and point out a few interesting things for you guys as well while I walk around. Here it is, guys, Marks and Spencer, one of my favorite places, so we're going to go there. I think it's a very British sort of like not convenience store, like a supermarket, I think, or deli. I don't actually know what to consider it, but yeah, I'm not going to film inside because stores in Hong Kong are very funny about filming inside, so I'm just going to turn this off and go. So we're now in IFC Mall. As much as I'd like to go outside to show you more of the view, it's so damn humid out there, so we're just going to find like a little, like a view like that, so you guys can see a little bit of the harbour. Maybe later this evening I might go to the harbour so you guys can have a proper view. Maybe later I might go to the harbour itself so you guys can have a proper view. Sorry, I feel like the water's been like spilling on my face and it's ruining my makeup. Anyway, so far the makeup's holding up. I'm using the Super Stay from Maybelline. Alright, I actually don't know what this building is, but that's the AIA Ferris wheel. I think that's like Wan Chai Harbour, and then Sim Sat Choi is on that side, that further one over there. Okay, so I've walked into another shopping centre and it's currently lunch, and these are like all people working in offices going for lunch. It's crazy. It's like so many people. So we're now here at QRE, I think it's QRE, so I'm assuming it's QRE Plaza. Here it's in Wan Chai, and this used to be the area that I frequent. I'm a bit familiar with the area. Obviously a lot has changed, so I'm going to look for food here because I'm really hungry. I had to stop by an ATM and get smaller change because I got like a big $500 bill, and I think most shops don't have change for that, or they decline if they can. Yeah, I'm gonna go check out food, and I'm gonna go to the computer center, going to buy a couple of things. I want to buy a new hard drive for one for myself, and then I also want to buy a gaming mouse for my partner. So the Wan Chai. So the Wan Chai Computer Center is probably the best place for that. I won't go for Japanese because I'm going to have Japanese later tonight with Aiza. So maybe Chinese or Western, we'll see. So this place is called Lee Tung Avenue. I don't know if you guys can see that sign, but apparently it's really, really pretty here. And from memory, I think it is really pretty. Yeah. It's gorgeous. It's so gorgeous, girl. Oh my gosh, that's the benefit store. It's very cute. It's at the very end. Or do I want pizza? There's a Pizza Express here. I remember I like their pizzas. Ooh. I'll walk around first before I make a decision. Ooh, free starter and drink. Set lunch. Okay, cool. I'm getting that. I don't know if you guys can tell that my hair's gone flat. It had a lot of volume this morning. Humidity will do that. I'm gonna put some dry shampoo later before I meet up with Aiza so that my hair actually looks decent. Alright, my lunch is here. So here's the carbonara. It looks so good. And it smells so good. I'm so hungry. That first photo. So I'm now at the MTR station, so I'm at Causeway Bay. I'm gonna catch the train because I'm really tired and I need to just chill and kind of like touch up my makeup before I see Aiza for dinner and also drop off my shopping announcement room. Right guys, so we're back at my parents' place and I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I purchased at the Galleria. I also stopped at Sasa just to get some lash glue. I was going to wear lashes tonight but it's just so damn humid outside. I probably won't. I might save that for Wednesday when I hang out with my cousins. Still have no idea where we're going. Okay, let's start off first with this palette. So this one is the new Norvina palette. So this is the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. As you guys know, I have the original Norvina palette. I don't think this is even available in Australia at this point in this video. So that's what that looks like. As you guys can see, heaps of bright colors, and I'm actually really surprised at how large the pans are. I also love the fact that there's so many purples. You guys know me, I love my purples. And then there's also another palette. So this is the Jackie Aina palette. Now, I don't know if you guys know that I tried to purchase it from Mecca, but unfortunately it got lost in the mail, and I just asked for it to be refunded because I wanted it for this trip to Hong Kong, but obviously it didn't arrive. So as soon as I saw this at the DFS, I actually didn't know that they had the full range of Anastasia. I thought it was just the brow, because if you go onto their website, it was just all brow products. So I'm just so happy that they have this one, and I really like the packaging on this one. Good on you, Jackie, it's so pretty. And again, those purples, and then that shade Supreme. I have been looking for something like that for a while, so it's really good. I've got these. Obviously I have so many eyeshadow palettes now. Sorry, that's my grandfather. But makeup junkie, what can you do? Alright guys, so I have left my parents' place. Fuck, I had to go through like so many flights of stairs just to get up here because Hong Kong's quite hilly. So I went up a really, really steep hill that required a lot of steps. I'm out of breath. I've never been to this part of Hong Kong, I have to say. I pretty much grew up here. I have never seen this place before.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet.
Hey guys, I've just finished having dinner with my friend Aiza. Haven't seen her in 3 years. Oh my gosh. And I have to say the sake has kind of hit me, so if I'm a bit slurry, that's why, sorry. So I'm heading back to my mum and dad's place, and my camera lens is fogging up. I'm so sorry, it's just so damn humid here, so it's making my lens fog up. But yeah, I'm almost there. I cannot wait to take my makeup off and just plonk on the bed. I am that tired. I am dead tired, guys. Let me just wipe the lens. Yeah, I'm just so tired. I'm gonna be filming my regular vlog tomorrow because I'm going to Disneyland, and I'm also going to be filming something for Maybelline. So that's going to be really exciting. So hopefully guys keep an eye out on the Maybelline loft for that. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys did. Leave a comment down below if you guys enjoyed the vlog. And yeah, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!